I'm about to take you through step by step how I created $1 million in 22 days. Not the energetics, we did that last month, the actual step-by-step strategy. How on earth do I get thousands of people into a group? How on earth do I get hundreds of them to upgrade? How on earth did I make $1 million with no extra deliverables in my business in 22 days? And what strategy, what funnel, what did I do? Here you go. Let's get ready. First thing that I want to share with you is that this is why I'm obsessed, and this is why I have created Millionaire AI, because in Millionaire AI, I'm taking you through a 3-day experience where you get to create your version of what I like to call a low ticket offer, LTO, or a self-liquidating funnel, which means every dollar you put in comes back into your bank account, okay? So it's essentially free leads. And so I want to start by basically sharing about the funnel and what is required in order to get a huge amount of people into your offer. So an LTO simply is exactly that. It's a low ticket offer and it consists of 3 pages, okay? So the first page is what we call like a low entry point offer. Could be $11, $7, $27. It's up to you how you want to price it. And it needs to be an irresistible offer. Okay, so for me, and I've used this exact same thing for my movie funnel that made me $1 million in the first 90 days of 2025. And I've used this exact same funnel to print $1 million in 22 days. So I know this shit works and I've replicated it over and over again with different offers. And now I'm going to show you in Millionaire AI. So again, show notes down below, click that link, get inside. Now, LTO, basically what that means, you are creating a no-brainer, low price point barrier for an irresistible something. Now, this can be anything. Most people will look at my funnels and be like, well, I haven't created a movie. I haven't created an AI that encapsulates 10 years of my experience. How am I going to create an irresistible offer? I teach my clients, like every single client in my mastermind is creating these funnels for themselves. And this can be as easy as like a secret podcast valued at $7 that you get instant access to. Or it could be like an ebook that's going to XYZ and solve all your problems in 30 days. Or it can be literally, a 3-part activation series that's going to obliterate your money blocks and shift you into a whole new financial reality. So it doesn't need to even be something that is going to take ages or is huge. It just needs to 100% speak to your audience, and the perception of value that they're receiving has to exceed what they're paying. For example, an LTO, let's just say, is what you call your opt-in page. So you opt in, maybe $7, could go up to $33. I like to keep it on the lower end. And this is what you call your irresistible offer, your IO. And the reason that I'm so excited for Millionaire AI is because I'm taking you through the sales psychology. I've created an Alex Tripod sales psychology blueprint method for the opt-in page. Most people miss this and they think they've got a really nice looking, pretty opt-in page, and it converts way below industry average, which is 8 to 10%. And then they wonder why your Facebook ads are costing you an arm and a leg, right? Or why you're not getting people opting into your thing. So this needs to be converting at 8 to 10%. That is industry standard. Just to give you some context, my movie funnel was converting at 39%, and my Millionaire AI funnel was converting at 26%. Okay, so it's gone down a bit now because we're driving thousands of dollars a day in Facebook ads. So obviously we're reaching cold audience, but it's still profitable. I'm going to explain what that means in a second. So opt-in page, again, there's a wholesale psychology around this, and you need to actually be creating the formula of like, why you're the authority, speak to the pain points, why you're the solution, why this offering is a solution, blah, 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 right? And it's like basically a taste of what you offer. Like, how can you give them a taste of your magic of, like, let's say your higher end price point thing, which is 2K, 5K, 20K, 10K. How can you give them a taste of that? And then to be like, holy shit, I received so much value from this $11 thing. It's a no-brainer for me to come into their paid containers. Then you've got your checkout page. So your checkout page is here. That's simply a checkout page, which means I'm going to fill in my details. Now the magic of the checkout page is you're going to have something called an optional bump order, okay? A bump order option means that on the checkout page, yes, they're going to have an option to tick that. I would love to also receive Alex's self-concept code audios on XYZ, or that was for my Manifest AI, which I think converted at about 35%. Again, industry standard is about 40%, which seems pretty high, but think of it this way. It's 40% of people who were already willing to whip out their credit card for this offer. So this offer already spoke to them. And then this offer is like, oh my God, yes, I want to have this. It's going to accelerate and make this even better. So my bump order for my movie was like, buy my movie. I'm going to teach you about manifestation, blah, 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 blah. Bump order is, hey, do you want the BTS recording of the $7-figure million morning secrets of what I do in my morning routine every day? Click this for $27. So again, there's no real like what it has to be priced at, but I'd say anywhere between $17 to $27 would be a great bump order price. It can be higher, it's up to you, but psychologically there's something around 27. I don't know why. 777 baby, which is why I do $7 for my opt-ins, $27 for bump order. So you got your bump order, okay? I'll explain to you how this all works and why this is so important. Then lucky last, you've got your cliche, but wait, there's still more. Steak knives, okay? You got to love those infomercials. So your funnel needs to be literally like an infomercial. Like, you want this amazing irresistible offer, get this bump order that comes with it, and also there's some steak knives that you'd like to get. And the thing is, when you're in integrity with your message and you actually love what you do and you believe in your message, this is you're not tricking people. You're not like, oh my God, I'm tricking people to buy all this shit that they're never going to use. Like, I actually think the fact that people get my movie for $11 is absurd. Like, it's insane value. I think my bump order is insane value. So as long as you're actually giving value and you believe in what you're doing, like, take solace in knowing that you are in integrity. But it is your responsibility to create the best fucking funnel so it converts, so you get eyes on your medicine. So the lucky last page is called an OTO, a one-time offer. And this is anywhere between, you can do like $47. You can even go up to even like $297. I think for my movie landing page, it's about $149. It's up to you. This is a bump order, meaning, like, how to explain this? In my movie funnel, it's like, cool, you're going to watch the movie. It's going to powerfully teach you this, this, and this. But let's be honest, a movie alone is not going to change your patterns. It's not going to rewire your beliefs. It's not going to teach you how to self-concept and this and that. So if you want to actually implement all the things that I teach you in the movie, you need this 8-system manifestation blueprint. And so I've basically pre-recorded 8 modules with eight modules. And that's like OTO for $147, right? And so, and even for my Manifest AI, I think I put like my live event vault. You get like 4 recordings of my HD events that I've run live. So like 16 hours plus of me live on stage, HD recordings, different camera angles, like you're live in there. It's a full immersion with the workbooks for $47. I make the OTO a no-brainer. The reason that we want to do this right here, a self-liquidating funnel, the SLF, requires an opt-in, a checkout, an OTO. And of course, you've received your purchases. Check your inbox or a thank you page right at the end. I don't need to talk to you about that. It's just a thank you page. It's called self-liquidating because essentially a really, really good LTO, every $1 that you put into this will spit out more than $1. It should actually be profitable. Okay. So for example, and this is what leads me beautifully to my next thing. So if you're interested in this, by the way, just this alone, how to actually create an incredible headline call out statement. Because remember, you got about 3 seconds to capture your audience's attention on your funnel landing page right at the top. And if you don't do that, they're fucking off and they're scrolling to something else. And most people are filling up their funnels with like a pretty fucking banner with a photo of themselves and a really good, no one gives a fuck. No one gives a fuck. Right? If you don't even have your call out statement properly, you've already lost 90% of your audience. Okay, so I'm going to teach you exactly how to do all of this. What the bumper order is, what's the OTO, how to build it out, how to script it out, what's the, like all of this. You're interested, you want to know my formula of what creates a high converting, self-liquidating funnel, get into Millionaire AI. So the magic of this is, let me talk to you how I funneled thousands of people into Manifest AI. Okay, because to make $1 million on a product that was less than $2,000, the upsell, I needed a lot of people in there to make $1 million, right? So we ended up plugging, I think my coach told me 46,000 Australian dollars into the Manifest AI ads. So we split tested about 25 ads over the course of 25 days. And towards the end of again, I'm not going to go into Facebook ads. That's a whole different thing. But we did testing campaigns. Towards the end, we really ramped up the ones that were getting the highest conversions, and $46,000 over, I think, a 25-day period. And it actually spat out 50K. So meaning I actually made $4,000 profit on the funnel itself. Now, that doesn't excite me. $4,000, that doesn't excite me. What excites me is the fact that I got from this 46K about approximately 2,500 leads, meaning humans, people like you, coming into my Manifest AI experience, ready to go, excited to have their 7-day experience. Now, why I had about 3,000 in the group is because I also had 500 of that from my organics. So this is really cool because if you don't have a huge following, you can still make a 100, 200, 300, 500K launch. I truly believe if you nail this funnel, like you could have 2,000 followers, have a phenomenal funnel and literally have the biggest launch of your life because you got this right. Okay, because every dollar that goes into the funnel comes back into your Stripe and you just keep plugging it in, more leads, more eyes on your thing. So that's how I got so many people in my actual Manifest AI challenge, okay? And then from there, here's where I kind of want to say, like, that's I'm going to say 90% of the game, like getting that right. And I'm not going to go into super detail about this, but like, obviously I'm going to give you some 101 around here. Why did I make $1 million? Is it because I had a great LTO and poof, magic money flowed? No, I put them into a 7-day experience. So for you, it could be a masterclass, a secret podcast, a 3-day experience, a 21-day challenge. Think of something, whatever floats your boat. For me, I just downloaded, it needs to be 7 days, showing them 7 different powerful manifestation tools with powerful prompts so they experience Manifest AI like it's me in their back pocket. They get incredible breakthroughs for a week. So the whole thing that I'm trying to share with you is give incredible value in an experience, okay? So for that $7 or $11 or $27 for what was on the front end page, you want to give an incredible experience. It's an irresistible offer. My movie is also an incredible experience, okay? So it's an incredible experience, but we're talking solely on the $1 million here, not the movie. So I've given them an incredible experience. All right, out of 3,000 people, let's be honest, for $7, it's not much money. I reckon probably only 1,000 people actually did the fucking challenge. Meaning 2,000 people paid $7, couldn't even be bothered showing up, not my fucking problem, okay? But out of the 1,000 people, right, I had 350, I think more than that actually, upsell and buy Manifest AI. So you do the math on that, okay? And then from that, so I gave them an incredible experience. Their brains were blown. They were like, I cannot not buy her now. And the thing is that I didn't need to go on sales calls because the gap from $7, like, yeah, it wasn't $7 to $300, but it was $7 to about $1,500. So it wasn't like it's a 10K or a 20K program, which, you know, some could argue needs a sales call, needs, you know, like you need to need more information before you make a 10K or a 20K investment. Fair. Some of you do, some of you don't. But for a lower price point, whether it's like, yeah, like I don't believe you need to have a sales call, which why with a really strong landing page, a sales landing page, which I'm not going to go into, but again, I have also an incredible sales psychology around what makes an incredible high converting sales page of your actual offer, whether you have a $1,000 program or a 20K program. And then from the 350 people, they manifested and upgraded to Manifest AI. And then my sales team called all the people that upgraded and said, hey, do you want to join 5DU? Because when you join 5DU, you actually get Manifest AI for free. So essentially, you're getting $1,500 off 5DU right now if you decide to join. And that was fair for me because all of my 5DU students and my mastermind clients get Manifest AI for free for the duration that they're in my containers, right? So it means they don't just get me on the live calls, they've got me in their back pocket every single day. And since I've introduced that, the results have been incredible in my containers. So I don't think I need to go in much more detail than that. You build yourself a fuck off funnel. You bring in shitloads of leads. You give them an incredible, insane experience to make them be like, holy shit, if this is her free thing or $7 thing, I wonder what it's like actually buying the upgrade. You upgrade them, obviously with incredible videos, email sequences. I could go into so much more, but that is basically the step-by-step high level. If you want more in depth, if you want deep trainings on this, get yourself into Millionaire AI. I'm going to go even deeper into this where I leave nothing unturned. You've got this. It's time for you to make $1 million in 22 days. Thanks for tuning into the Alex Tripod Show. If this episode activated something inside of you, leave a 5-star review on Apple or Spotify and hit that subscribe button on YouTube so you never miss a frequency drop. Because this isn't just a podcast, it's a mission to raise the vibration of humanity, to awaken millions, to build new earth, one lit up legend at a time. And if you're ready to go deeper, wilder, and all in on your soul's legacy, come play on Instagram at Alex Tripod. I'm there daily dropping codes, calling out bullshit, and helping you manifest the life you actually want. Let's keep playing big because we're only just getting started.